Imagine this. One day you're sued. Without anyone to defend you, you walk into the courtroom, and instead of a flesh and blood lawyer, there's only a cold, unblinking screen. Hello, I am your AI attorney for today. No emotion, no human judgment, just data. Suppose one day, the legal profession is no longer a human privilege, and when AI can process millions of legal documents in seconds, analyze case files, cross-reference centuries of legal precedent, then ask yourself, can humans still make money in this profession? According to expert predictions, by the year 2100, the legal system might become AI-assisted, or worse, AI Control-Alt. According to predictions from OpenAI and Harvard Law School, AI in the legal industry is no longer a fantasy. It's happening right now. Today's advanced artificial intelligence systems can analyze thousands of complex legal cases in just seconds, suggest legal arguments based on hundreds of thousands of past rulings, draft legal documents with perfect formatting, even down to the punctuation. A startup called Do Not Pay made headlines when it launched a robot lawyer, helping people appeal traffic tickets without paying a single dollar. Users simply answer a few questions, and the system automatically generates a full, clear, and legally sound appeal. No law office, no waiting lines, no fees. Now imagine this. If an AI can help ordinary citizens do all that for free, then is there still real opportunity for young lawyers to earn money from simple, repetitive cases? Jobs that once brought stable income, like drafting rental agreements, advising on uncontested divorces, preparing small claims lawsuits, are now being automated. And the truth is, AI does these tasks faster, cheaper, and more accurately. But more importantly, AI is not just a tool, it's becoming a silent coworker, a machine that never sleeps, constantly learns, and can process hundreds of thousands of pages without breaking a sweat. It won't replace the entire legal profession, but it will redefine how the legal system works. Statistics show that a modern AI system can cut 80% of research time, reduce legal errors by 90%, support hundreds of clients without adding more staff. This is an opportunity, but also a challenge. Those who know how to collaborate with AI will earn faster and more efficiently. Those who stick to the old ways will slowly be left behind. So the real question isn't, what can AI do in the legal field? But rather, what role do humans still play in a legal system that's almost fully automated? But remember, AI has no heart. It doesn't feel empathy. It doesn't know the weight of a client's trust. It doesn't tremble at injustice. It doesn't fall silent in an emotional courtroom. A real lawyer is the voice of justice with a heart. They argue not just to win, but because they believe in what's right. Imagine you're in court, trying a case involving a child hurt in silence. Can AI truly read that pain through data? Or will it just calculate legal risks, compensation odds, and document length? Humans don't just argue, they move people. They reach the hearts of jurors and judges. Experts say, by 2100, AI will become a powerful assistant, searching data, catching errors, shaping legal strategy. But humans will still be the final voice in a world of complex ethics. When trust, honor, and compassion can't be written as code, the legal profession will survive. Just how lawyers make money will evolve. No one will earn a living just by taking notes or drafting template contracts. AI will do that in seconds. But those who listen, who feel, who defend justice with emotion and lived experience, they will be trusted and paid accordingly. Because in a world full of technology, true emotion will be the rarest thing no AI can ever replace. In the world of 2100, where AI can perform thousands of tasks in a blink, many people believe that lawyers will be out of work, but the truth is the opposite. Imagine this. Instead of spending hours reviewing contracts or digging through legal codes, you simply command your AI assistant. Summarize client A's case file, cross-check with Article 45 of the commercial law, list all legal risks within 30 seconds. The lawyer of the future is not the one who does everything, but the one who knows how to use AI to do the right task at the right time in the right way. Instead of competing with AI, leverage it to boost your income. Filter hundreds of client files in minutes. Optimize litigation strategies using past case data. Suggest sharper arguments for court debates. Draft contracts and legal forms with just a few prompts. Offer 24/7 legal services via chatbots and virtual assistants. All of this saves time, effort, and lets you scale your services without hiring more people. Most importantly, the legal profession is no longer confined to 4 office walls. Imagine if you were a lawyer and a content creator, teaching law through videos, consulting online with thousands of clients at once. A top lawyer in 2100 might own a personal AI assistant that never sleeps, run a YouTube or TikTok channel for legal advice, create online courses on practical law, build a global personal brand, attracting investors, clients, and students from everywhere. Making money from law is no longer just about the courtroom. It's about content, social media, digital platforms, even your own digitized intelligence. According to Harvard experts, lawyers won't disappear. They will evolve into upgraded versions, more dynamic, more creative, and more globally connected. And you, the one who uses AI as a smart partner, you won't be replaced, you'll lead. Because technology doesn't kill professions, it only kills the old way of doing things. According to many experts, AI can learn the law, but it cannot learn justice. It can process thousands of cases, analyze every word of the law, but it does not understand sacrifice, trust, or compassion. In the end, law is not just text. Law is social ethics. It is the story of each human being. It is the belief in fairness, no matter how small. In this new world, you may no longer earn money as easily as before AI, but in return, you'll have the chance to redefine the legal profession, a profession that is more humane, more technological, and more connected to the community. You are no longer just a voice in the courtroom. You are the bridge between justice and the digital world. And who knows? One day, you might be the one to teach AI what the emotion of justice feels like, not just dry commands, because no matter how far technology goes, the heart of law is still the human.